Okay, friends, let's learn something about two methods. One of them is called get, another is called post. Let's see how they are working and what is the difference between these two methods, okay? So we have a get method. Whenever we're sending something, some data using the get, okay, uh, it is going to be sent using this URL, okay? For example, in here you see page is equal to this one. That means these are sent using get method. Also in here, as you see in the previous lecture, we created this program. Here you see we use post method, okay? And we are using a dictionary. The username value is going to be equal to admin, passwords value is password, and also login value is submit. So in here it is clear that we are using post method to send this data using post method. So it is more secure than the get method, because whenever you send this, someone else who are using this, for example this website, they are not able to see that details or that information that you are sending. But when you are using a get method, the user will be able to see that here. For example, if you are using the login page in here, so you need to do something like this, okay? Username is equal to, for example, admin, and password is equal to password, and we have another thing which was login, okay? It was equal to submit. If you use get method instead of post, you will see all the details in the URL when you submit the form. And also, but still, the get method and also the post method, these both, before you encrypt the data, and they are not very secure, because if someone captured the data before you encrypt them, so they will be able to see all the details, all the information as a text. So in here, for example, you're sending the data from this web page to the real server. So you need to, after you get these details like username and password, after you provide this, you need to use an encryption algorithm to encrypt them and send them to server. For example, SHA-1, MD5, something, anything, to encrypt them and then send them to server. So all this thing depends on the developer. If developer encrypt every data that they are sending, so the website is more secure. But if they forgot to encrypt the data that they are trying to send, forms that they are trying to send, so that has a vulnerability, and we can do a lot of attack on them and get the information, and we can do a lot of things, okay? So everything depends on the developer. So here now, you see that when we use post, you will be able to send the data through form, and user will not be able to see them in URL. But whenever someone using the get method in some places, and the data will be sent using this URL, through this URL, and the user and also everyone who are using the website, they will be able to see that in here. So it was about get and also post method.